wanna get away, but I could use some company.
Welcome back to my channel. Today is part 1 of my Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me. I'm also going to show you how to make some super easy sugar cookies. There are like 3 ingredients, 4 ingredients if you want to add like a extract or whatever to get some extra flavor. But let's get started. I need to clean off my space over here real quick so that I can get the cookies in the oven, and then I'm going to start cleaning everything out.
Singing, oh, na, 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet. Let me put your mind at ease.
Okay, so all you need is 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, and 2 sticks of softened butter. Make sure you preheat the oven to 325 and it will cook for like 14 to 16 minutes. You know, make sure you pay attention so they don't burn. And of course, since they're sugar cookies, they're going to be really light anyway. So you'll first mix the butter and the sugar together. Mix it really well. Then you'll add the flour in, and the optional part would be almond extract and sprinkles. So you want to know the really sad part? I bought like Valentine's Day sprinkles that had like little cute hearts and everything in it. I can't find them anywhere. I have no idea. So I'm going to just supplement with what I got here. All right, let's get started.
Feel the moving beat. I know what you need. Singing oh na na, oh na na. Dancing in the sun, dancing all night long. Oh, won't you come with me? Singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go?
Now you will roll the dough into like little balls. Put them out on a cookie sheet. You will wet the bottom of a glass cup, roll it into some sugar, and then you'll just smash it down. And you'll also see me like add the sprinkles. So I'll put the sprinkles on it before I actually smash it down with the bottom of this cup.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
All right, so now that the cookies are in the oven, I want to take a brief second to just introduce myself. If you're new here, my name is Deandra Marie, and on my channel you'll find lots of homemaking motivation, cooking, cleaning, decluttering, all of that. So if that is up your alley, make sure you click that red subscribe button down below. And I also want to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back and seeing what I've got going on. This is part 1, like I said earlier, because I will be also cleaning and decorating for Valentine's Day in my living dining area and probably the main bathroom.
Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend of a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again.
I want to know if you guys decorate for Valentine's Day, or do you just like move from winter to spring, or what do you do?
Happy for
This is what happens when you overstuff the garbage. If you guys aren't following me already on my Instagram at Just Marie Homemade, you definitely should. I share a lot more like throughout the week, so recipes, funny things that happen, little memes, of course, and like sneak peeks of my home decor. So go ahead and give me a follow over there. I'd love to have you. This is my all-time favorite cutting board. I love it because of the little drawers at the bottom, so that, you know, when you're cutting vegetables or whatever, you can put what you've chopped in there, or if you want to put the scraps in the bottom, you can do that too. I got it off Amazon. Let me know if you guys want a link to it, and I can put it in the comment section.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why?
These are done. Absolutely delicious, guys. Super easy. You have to make this, but these are good for any time. I just, you know, thought it'd be cute for Valentine's Day, but you can make it for any time. And I feel like they are a mixture between like butter cookies, if you've ever had those, and sugar cookies.
I feel like lately I have had groceries to put away in like every video. I don't know what it is, but time for me to put these groceries away.
Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around. be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror.
If you're nosy like me and you were wondering what's in my crock pot, I'll tell you. It is ground beef that I put in there. I just kind of broke it up, you know, with the end of a spatula. I put it on high, actually, with a little bit of water for 4 hours. And then towards the end, I drain it and I add all the taco seasoning in there. So if you've never made tacos in the crock pot, you definitely need to.
I just don't want this moment to end.
Finally, we're getting down to the fun part, which is decorating. If you're wondering, everything I got for Valentine's Day to decorate with is on a budget. I was not about to spend a lot of money on something that's only gonna, you know, be up for like a month or so. So the candle that I'm getting ready to light is from Aldi. I think that was $3.99. The glass vase that has some florals already in it, that I already had at home, so I didn't have to spend any money there. The little heart that you're going to see that says love, that was from Walmart. Florals that I'm going to put in this little galvanized lantern, that was from the Dollar Tree.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
Little kitchen towels are from Marshall's.
Leave it, don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it, see how. Rewind.
It honestly had been a while since I mopped my floor, so I needed to get that done. I honestly am really missing my Fabuloso. I thought I had more, but I can't find it. If you've been around for a while, then you guys know I am absolutely obsessed with the lavender scented Fabuloso, but I'm out. So I am going to run to the store and get that. But for now, I have like this lemon. It's supposed to be Pine Sol, but I think it's called Pine Glow. I got that a while back from the Dollar Tree. And if I'm being honest, it worked. It did clean my floors, but it ain't Fabuloso.
My way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good, show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help hide the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with
All right, so that is all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make those cookies. If you do, make sure you tag me over on Instagram or leave me a comment and let me know how you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, I hope you subscribe. And make sure you guys turn on that bell, and then that way you'll be notified every time I post a video, and you'll get to see my next one, which is part 2 of my Valentine's Day Clean and Decorate. Thanks for watching. Bye.
away.